Today we are unboxing Icom's brand new IP M60. It is an LTE Marine VHF hybrid, first of its kind. This is the box. Not much to see here, but on the side you'll have key pieces of information including your UPC and your serial number. Go ahead and use that information to register for that warranty. Let's go ahead and check out the contents of the box. Upon opening, you'll have some paperwork here, including things like warranty registration, instruction manual, things of that nature. You'll also get your battery, your belt clip, your antenna. There is also a seal for the speaker mic connection if you're not using one. And last but not least, the IP M60 itself. Let's go ahead and assemble the radio. Starting out, the IP M60 itself. And your battery and your belt clip. I found it easiest to install the belt clip on the battery before installing the battery on the radio itself. To do that, you do need to finesse it a little bit. I like to give it a little bit of leeway. Should click right into place once you have it in. And installing the battery, starting from the bottom to the top. Just push the top in and it should lock in place. And then you have your antenna that screws onto the top here. Righty tighty, lefty loosey, as I like to say. And this little piece is your seal for your speaker mic connection. If you're not using a speaker mic, recommend doing that. Got a little screw here as well. And screwdriver, please. Thank you. That just goes into place here. And we'll just screw her in. And that is the IP M60 fully assembled. Now, the IP M60 does not come with a charger, but there are charging options such as the BC227 that I have here. There are other recommended accessories that you can get with the IP M60, such as headsets, earpieces, and even speaker mics. With that being said, thank you so much for watching the unboxing of Icom's very own IP M60.